The first thing that you will do is you will restart your device. Sometimes restarting the device also fixes many of the minor issue. The next thing that you will do is you will tap on this icon at the bottom here, and then you will close all the background applications. The third thing that you will do is you will go to settings. You will go down to this option device care, go to memory, and then what you will do is you will tap on this button clean now. And what does this do is this will close all the apps that are running in the background. The other thing that you will do is you will go to settings. You will scroll down and go to this option advanced features. Go to this option motion and gestures, and there is an option here smart stay. Make sure to disable this option smart stay. If you enable this one, then the screen will always be on when you are charging. Now the last thing is, if the screen started to turn on after you have installed a certain application, then make sure to uninstall that application and check if this will fix the issue.